Have you ever been trying to find something small in your daily life but finally just find yourself to forgot where it is? Have you ever been trying to find something small but finally failed to find it? All these kind of finding problems will be solved by our robot, UniX Finder.
So, what's your name?
Sure, my name is Unix. I'm your personal assistant.
Oh, that's good. So, what can you do for me?
I can assist you with various tasks, such as answering questions, providing information, setting reminders, making appointments, and much more. Just let me know what you need help with.
Great. So, actually, I can't find my laptop. So, could you please help me to find my laptop?
Of course, I'll try my best to help you find your laptop.
Based on YOLO V10 model and traditional CV strategy like PMP solver, UniX now is going to find the exact things you want for you. And you must have noticed that UniX can interact with you by voice naturally, and the voice of UniX is completely customizable. And the most special thing is that UniX doesn't just try to find things for you, he will try to remember where your things is, and when you ask him to find something, he will try to search his memory and just directly go to the right place. So laptop is just a demonstration and he can actually find many other things in your daily life. So here is more.
Could you please help me to find my bottle with the green tag beside it?
Okay, I'll try to find it for you.
So as you can see, only correct things and the correct text together will be regarded as correct target for UniX. And that's it, that's UniX. Find everything in your daily life and make your life much more easier.